Hey friends, if you encounter volume shadow copy service error 0x80100202 or 0x81000203, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the volume shadow copy service is closely associated with your system restore process, which makes it very important. So here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the volume shadow copy service. Right click on it and select start or restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now the last solution is a check the scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.